Vegan cheese is a category of non-dairy, plant-based cheese analogs. Vegan cheeses range from soft fresh cheeses to aged and cultured hard grateable cheeses like plant-based Parmesan. The defining characteristic of vegan cheese is the exclusion of all animal products. Vegan cheese can be made with components derived from vegetables, such as proteins, fats, and plant milks. It also can be made from seeds, such as sesame, sunflower, soybeans, and nuts such as cashew, pine nut, peanuts, and almond. Other ingredients are coconut oil, nutritional yeast, tapioca, rice, potatoes, and spices. This video is sponsored by a vegan cookbook that I suggest you buy to make delicious meals during your vegetarian diet so you do not get tired of this diet. I put the link to get acquainted with vegan cookbook in the description of this video. Hi there. This oozy, gooey vegan cheese sauce is just as good as the real thing. Versatile and easy to make, it's delicious on pasta, nachos, and more. Vegan cheese. You don't have to be vegan to fall for this vegan cheese recipe. It's creamy, tangy, and rich, with a crave-worthy oozy texture just like that of dairy-based cheese sauce. Serve this vegan cheese as a dip with tortilla chips or fresh veggies. Toss it with pasta to make vegan mac and cheese, top it onto a baked potato, or drizzle it over chips to make a vegan nacho platter. Once you have it on hand, you'll find endless ways to use it, and you won't be able to get enough. Vegan cheese recipe ingredients. This dairy-free cheese is not only delicious, it's good for you, too. Unlike processed vegan cheese that you might find at grocery stores, it's made of a short list of whole foods ingredients. Here's what you'll need to make it. Yukon Gold potatoes and cashews, they're the key ingredients for giving vegan cheese recipes oozy, creamy texture. Sweet potatoes, you couldn't make a cheddar-style cheese sauce without an orange ingredient. Sweet potato gives this recipe its vibrant color, and it adds a light sweetness that's delicious with the rich, tangy flavors here. Nutritional yeast, it gives this dairy-free cheese the nutty, savory flavor of the real thing. Garlic and onion powder, they add delicious depth of flavor. Apple cider vinegar, it gives this vegan cheese a bright, tangy finish. Yum! To make this cashew cheese recipe, start by boiling the potatoes. When they're tender, transfer them to a high-speed blender. Add the nutritional yeast, garlic, onion powder, cashews, and vinegar, along with water, extra virgin olive oil, and a pinch of salt. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy, adding more liquid as needed. Then, enjoy! Best vegan cheese variations. Change the veggies. If you don't have sweet potato on hand, swap in carrots or butternut squash. Make it smoky. Add 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika to taste. I love to serve this variation as a loaded queso dip with guac, pico de gallo, and black beans. Spice it up. For extra heat, blend a tablespoon of pickled jalapenos or a chipotle pepper from a can of chipotles in adobo into the cheese. Please, if you like this video, like it and share it with your friends so that this video can be seen by more people and you can help people like you who need this video. And also support us. And please ask in the comments your biggest problems about losing weight so that we can produce quality videos about them so that all your problems can be solved. Are you struggling to lose weight on a vegan diet? Let us know which tips you plan to implement in the comments below. Have you lost weight as a vegan? Share your journey in the comments below to inspire others. Look no further for your weight loss training needs. Learn everything with our professional trainers. Only this weight loss channel is enough for you, and you can easily lose weight just by following and watching our videos from beginner to professional. We have a separate category for each topic that you can watch videos related to each topic in its own playlist. Only need to play your favorite playlist, see it again and again to become a professional in that subject, and you do not need anything else. If you are interested in this style of videos, please subscribe our page and click the bell next to it to be informed about our new videos.